Welcome to the Grundfos lab. Did you know that of the 130 million domestic circulators installed in European heating systems, more than 40% are inefficient, and that they consume considerably more energy than high-efficiency circulators? As a heating installer, you can play a key role in reducing the world's energy consumption and mitigating climate change. Let's take a look at how. Replacing an old circulator in a heating system can save energy, up to 75%. For a typical family, that's about the same energy as it takes to run the TV all year. Imagine if all circulators in Europe were high efficiency. The savings in electricity would be equal to the consumption of 4 million European citizens. Check out this demo. It shows how much energy an old circulator devours compared to a high-efficiency one. Let's start up the old one first. Watch those watts climb. Now, let's switch on the high-efficiency circulator. Look at this! The watts have dropped significantly. As you go about your daily work, you may not feel that one circulator replacement means much. But if you consider all the replacements that you and your colleagues do throughout the year, it adds up to some significant energy savings. In more than 50% of cases where you meet an old heating system like a boiler or heat pump, you meet a Grundfos circulator inside. Changing a circulator is easy, and Grundfos provides various tools to help you find the right replacement. The Go Replace app makes replacement of an old circulator faster and easier. Just download the app and scan the circulator you're replacing. Go Replace will then suggest the best circulator for the job, and you'll be ready to install it in no time. You can also find digital replacement guides on our website. So next time you're heading out on a service call for a heating system, remember you're also getting a chance to do your part for the environment. Thanks for stopping by the Grundfos lab. See you next time.